Good morning students. Today we have to see the next topic of our understanding quadrilateral, that is the kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds means the types of quadrilateral. Okay. Last lecture we have seen some basic points related to the quadrilaterals. Okay. Now the next are how many types of quadrilaterals have. Now we are going to see the types. Okay. Kinds means the types. So first type of the quadrilateral, that is the parallelogram. Okay, first type of the quadrilateral, that is the parallelogram. Now we are going to see what is the different parameters, what is the basic things of the parallelogram. Now our first type or first kind of quadrilateral, that is the parallelogram. Parallelogram is general looks like that. Parallelogram, it is one of the type of quadrilateral. That's why it has the four sides. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four sides it has. Okay. And these are the properties of the parallelogram. These are the different properties of the parallelogram. Now we are going to see four sides, four angles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because it is a quadrilateral, and any quadrilateral has four sides and four angles. It is a general structure of any parallelogram. Now first property we have to see, opposite sides are congruent. Congruent means equal. Congruent means equal. Opposite sides are congruent means opposite sides, suppose it is A, B, C and D. These are the sides. So AB, which is equal to DC, these are the opposite sides. So opposite sides are equal. AB, which is equal to DC, opposite side, AB के opposite side DC है, BC के opposite side क्या है, DC. So AB, which is equal to DC and BC, which is equal to DC. It is the first property of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC and BC, which is equal to AB. Now opposite angles are also congruent. Opposite angles are congruent means equal. Angle D, which is equal to angle B. Angle D and B are opposite. Angle D and B are opposite. That's why both are equal. Angle A and angle C also opposite angles. These are also equal. Okay, second property. Now third, consecutive angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum 180. Supplementary means whose sum is 180. तो consecutive angles means एक के बाजू में एक. Consecutive means not opposite. Consecutive means suppose A and C are opposite, but A and B are consecutive. D and B are opposite. D and B are opposite, but D and A are consecutive. D and C are consecutive. C and B are consecutive. A and B are consecutive. Consecutive means opposite to the opposite angles. Okay. So consecutive angles are supplementary. Means angle A plus angle D, which is sum is 180 degree. Angle A and D are consecutive, not opposite, so sum is 180 degree. Now next property, if one angle is right, then all the angles are right. Right means 90 degree. Right means 90 degree. अगर चारों एंगल में से एक अगर 90 एंगल है, तो बाकी के सब एंगल्स क्या होती है, राइट, मतलब 90 डिग्री होती है. Next property of parallelogram, the diagonals of parallelogram are bisect each other. Bisect मतलब एक कट करना, equal parts में. Equal parts में कट करना. Bisect means कट करना, एक दूसरे को कट करते हैं. ये जो diagonals होते हैं, AD and AC. These are the diagonals. DB and AC are the diagonal. Bisect each other means एक दूसरे को कट करते हैं. ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट इक्वल है, ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट इक्वल है. ये bisect each other. Okay, and each diagonal of parallelogram separate it into two congruent triangles. Suppose ये डायगोनल डी भी है, ये क्या करता है, इस पैरेललोग्राम के दो इक्वल ट्रायंगल में कन्वर्ट करता है. ये एक ट्रायंगल हो गया, ये दूसरा ट्रायंगल हो गया. ये लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी पैरेललोग्राम की. ओके, दीज आर द डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम and it is very important first type of our quadrilateral. Now next we have to see some numericals related to that. Okay, this is the general structure of our parallelogram. Consecutive angles are supplementary. अभी देखा हमने. Consecutive मतलब not opposite. Consecutive मतलब angle A and D. These are the consecutive angles. And angle A and C are the opposite angles. Okay. So consecutive angles are supplementary means 180. Very important property. Opposite angles are congruent मतलब equal. Angle D and B are equal. Angle D and B are equal. अभी देखा था हमने. Angle D and B are equal. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are congruent means equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. These are the some basic or very important properties of our parallelogram. Next we have to see how to solve this numerical. Very important numerical based on that property only. अभी जो हमने प्रॉपर्टी देखे थे उसके ऊपर ये न्यूमेरिकल है रिलेटेड टू पैरेललोग्राम. तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है देखेंगे हम. First we have to understand what is the question. Parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. The sides are marked. Sides are marked मतलब sides दिए. AB 6x minus 10, DC 3x plus 5, and AD is 4x minus 5. And in that they asked find AD. Find AD. मतलब ये AD साइड फाइंड करनी है आपको. ओके, तो हाउ वी हैव टू यूज आवर बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. नाउ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी वी हैव सीन द ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट मींस इक्वल. तो ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल है. ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल है, ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे हम. तो सॉल्व कैसे करना है. गिवन क्या है, गिवन ABCD is a parallelogram. ये given है आपको. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, this line is very important. Now in that we have to use. Okay, in that we have to use our property. What is that? Opposite sides are equal. मतलब AB which is equal to DC. रीजन क्या लेंगे, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal means AB which is equal to DC. But we have given AB is equal to 6x minus 10. तो वहां पर पुट करूंगा 6x minus 10. DC 3x plus 5. Okay, it is given. Now equal to, it becomes our general equation in linear equation in one variable. Now we know very well how to solve that. Variables one side 6x minus 3x, ये प्लस है तो इधर आके minus 3x होगा. ये 5 as it is. ये minus 10 है, इधर जाके plus 10 होगा, plus 10. Okay, so 6x minus 3x is 3x. 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, but I want only x, so x remains here. 3 is multiple, इधर जाके डिवाइड होगा 15 by 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 1, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 5. We got the value of x, but I want the value of side AD. Okay, now AD is given 4x minus 5. AD is given 4x minus 5. Put the value of x is 5. So 4 into 5 minus 5. Okay, 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 5, which is 15. So value of your AD, which is nothing but 15. The value of AD is 15. Very simple. First we have to see, और हमने क्या यूज किया है, सिर्फ पैरेललोग्राम की फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी यूज की, ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, एंड उसके ऊपर ये फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? राइट डाउन दैट. Now next is very important numerical related to parallelogram. Parallelogram DEFG is given. In that angle S is marked. Angle S is marked. Okay. And find angle F. Find angle F. ये जो angle F है ये find करना है. Okay. Angle E and D are marked. Here not S. E and D as marked. E and D. Angle E and D mark किए, दोनों दिए, and आपको angle F find करना है. Okay. Now angle find करना है तो हम पैरेललोग्राम के एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. Okay. पैरेललोग्राम के एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी. Now we know that the consecutive angles of parallelogram are supplementary. मीन्स सम कितनी होगी? 180 डिग्री. तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे हम? DEFG is a parallelogram. ये given है. It is given a parallelogram. Now in that of supplementary angles are consecutive. तो supplementary angle कौन कौन से हैं? Angle E, angle D are supplementary. So angle E plus angle D, which is equal to 180 degree. Reason, supplementary angles. Sorry, consecutive angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Consecutive angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Consecutive angles means एक के बाजू में एक आने वाले. Supplementary means sum is 180 degree. Now angle E is given 5x plus angle D is 2x plus 12. 2x plus 12 and sum is 180 degree. Equal to के नीचे equal to. Now we have to solve this. Remove the brackets. So 5x plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 180. Okay. Next, add 5 plus 2x is 7x plus 12, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now I want x, तो 7x एक साइड में आएगा, ये प्लस है इधर जाके माइनस होगा, तो 180 माइनस 12, तो 7x, तो कितना आएगा? 180 माइनस 12, इधर 17, एक लिया 8, 6, 1, 168, तो x is equal to 7 is multiple, इधर जाके डिवाइड होगा, 168 डिवाइड बाय 7, डिवीजन करो, 7 वन जा 7, 7 टू जा 14, 2 रह गए, 7 4 जा 28, तो x is equal to 24. x is equal to our 24. We got the value of x. Now we have to find the angle EF find करना है. तो angle EF कितना आएगा? Angle D and EF equal होंगे. Why? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So angle D, which is equal to angle EF. Reason opposite angles, उसको क्या होगा रीजन? Opposite angles are equal. Angle D, which is equal to F. Opposite angles are equal. तो angle D कितना है? 2x plus 12 and ये angle F वैसा ही. x की वैल्यू मिली हमें 24, तो 2 into 24 plus 12 is equal to angle F. Okay? Now 2 into 24 कितना आ गया? 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4 plus 12 which is equal to angle F. Now addition 10 1 6. तो एंगल F कितना आ गया आपका? 60 डिग्री. x की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद एक प्रॉपर्टी दूसरी यूज की, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो एंगल D एंड F आर इक्वल. तो एंगल D की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट की, एंगल F वैसा ही, और यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू पुट करके एंगल F मिला. अंडरस्टूड? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, सॉल्व दैट. And like that you have to solve our exercise. Exercise में जो भी पैरेललोग्राम के न्यूमेरिकल है ऐसे सब सॉल्व करो, जो भी आते हैं आपको. जो नहीं आएंगे मैं करवा दूंगा. ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे हम. Given that QRST is a parallelogram, find the value of x and y in the diagram. Okay? In that, find the value of x and y. Okay? QTRS is a parallelogram. In that, find the value of x and y. x and y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ओके? तो x and y की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम? Using our first property, opposite sides are equal. Okay? Here x square plus 5 and here 54. Okay? Here x square plus 5 and here 54. From that we have to find the value of x. How? Now see. QRST is a parallelogram. ये पैरेललोग्राम है. in that TS which is equal to QR, opposite sides are equal, so TS which is equal to QR. Reason opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. TS is 54 and QR x square plus 5. X square plus 5. Okay? Now we have to find the value of x. तो x square ऐसा ही, ये 5 प्लस इधर जाके माइनस होगा. 54 minus 5. How much? 54 minus 5 is 49. Okay? X square. Here the value of x square is 49, but I want only x. To taking square root of both sides, taking square root. Okay? So square root of 49, square root of x square. Okay? 49 का square root 7. x को square root जाएगा. Value of x is 7. So I got the value of x is 7 from simple property opposite sides are equal. Now x is over. Now we have to find the value of y. So y, two angles are given for y. Opposite angles are given. So opposite angles are always equal. So now we are going to use that property. Opposite angles are equal. So angle T, which is equal to angle R. Reason opposite angles are equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. So angle T is given 127 degree. Angle R is x plus 15y degree. Okay. 127 as it is. X we got 7 plus 15 into y as it is. I want 50y. तो ये एक साइड में आएगा, ये इधर जाएगा, ये प्लस इधर जाके माइनस. तो 127 minus 7. 127 minus 7 is 120. Here 15y. I want only y. 15 मल्टीपल है, इधर जाके डिवाइड होगा. तो 120 minus 15. ओके, ये वैल्यू हो गई मेरी y की. डिवाइड करो, y की वैल्यू मिलेगी आपको. ओके, so last second property is opposite angles are equal. इससे y मिला, opposite sides are equal, इससे x मिला. Very important numericals are. Okay, so you observe the same type of numericals in your exercise related to parallelogram. So try these numericals and remaining numericals I will solve. Understood all of you? Okay, thank you.